Welcome to another vlog. In this video I am out with the Drone Seekers Club. We visit Puentes de Quatro and Cinco, ojos. Translated to English, we visit 4 and 5 eye bridges. I purchased a new drone recently, the Mavic Mini II. This is the first flight and all did not go well. Outside the centre of Aspe is the bridge of 4 eyes, and a little further along the track is 5 eyes. Both are aqueducts built in the mid-18th century. The number of arches, that is 4 and 5, that these bridges have refer to the given name. The architecture of these bridges is beautiful, as is the surrounding nature. Between the two bridges, the remains of an ice cellar can be found. Elche experienced a significant rise of population at the end of the 18th century, and with this rise there was a higher demand for drinking water, and its own resources was not enough. This led to the purchase of fresh water from the Fuente de Baranja, located on the left bank of the Tarafa River. A hydraulic engineering channel of about 15 kilometres was built so the water could flow from this source to Elche. Rewind, and thank you to Jackie for this clip. Yay! My drone lived to fly another day. The Bridge of Five Eyes stands out for being the most monumental of the many channels that make up this infrastructure. It measures over 17 metres high and 46 metres long. In 2020, Aspe City Council carried out the rehabilitation of the aqueduct. Our third stop of the morning was to Pantano de Elche or Elche Dam. I have visited Elche Dam before, and you can watch that vlog on my YouTube channel. The outing was finished off with a fish and chip lunch at Casada. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe.